Poppet Pets part probably 7 at this rate. LOL. We got 8 packages of them. So far I only got like 4 ones that I need because I'm down to like the final like 18. And of course like a lot of those are rare. So I got Krabby. He's unfortunately a duplicate. Did he come with a sticker? There it is. Okay. I got Princess Thrym. This gorgeous lavender color. Also my duplicate pile. Where did that sticker go? I literally just had it and then it fell. Okay. Birdie, which is typically orange, but because it was out in the heat on my porch, has not turned back orange yet. Ooh, I think this one I don't have. Oh, it's Spike. Never mind, I have Spike. He just looked very color changed because of the heat. Darn. And I got the other Zorg alien things, but I already have them, but they're still cute. Duplicates. Okay, I have 1 left. Oh my gosh. It's the final Poppet